so there's no beat, no music. I'm just gonna talk to you. The truth is, there is this place called pain where most of our youth live. Their faith is strained and it clouded their vision. God, it's hard for them to embrace your name because in their hearts, issues have sprouted. Now doubt is risen. The preacher can shout, but it's useless. The psalmist can sing, Jesus be our center, but they're clueless. Jesus needs us to repent the foolish way that we live. Young man, I know that you heard. So I pray that my words connect, and you allow his love to come down and disinfect the afflictions you sustained when your father left. Everything you lost, you will gain. And what you need, he'll provide. Abba, that's your eternal dad. There's provisions in his name. Not only will you succeed, but you'll thrive. The King of Kings redeems, but he needs you to first believe he's alive, young lady. You're feeling like you're dealing with a condition that you can't escape. And I'm not here to offer you some religion, that powerless system propagated by the snake. It is of no use when you develop that habit because you was the tragic victim of a rape. But if you listen when God speaks, this deep wisdom when he states that he doesn't put more on you than you can bear. I know that might not be something you want to hear, but his grace is sufficient. That place you call pain, it was only meant to visit with hands raised. Where sin abounds, his grace abounds more. I want to make sure that this fact is clear. His love comes down like rain to drown confusion, add joy, subtract despair. His blood is real. It can heal addiction. Now listen, with vivid description, I will expound on his mission properly. The enemy belongs beneath my feet. It was never meant to be on top of me. And as a king, I understand that the land in which I stand is kingdom property. I estimate that if we educate ourselves with his word, submit our will to his teachings, then it's only proper that our souls shall prosper as we elevate over poverty. Christ is our light. Old Testament prophecy completed. There's no new test you wasn't blessed to win. Did you know that you have the power over diseases? And Jesus was adorned in glory that he traded for a crown of thorns. So death and sin could be defeated. I guess this needs to be repeated. Could it possibly be that his love he came down? It's here now, but it's up to us to believe it. And you are already healed. His power is real, but it's up to us to receive it. Young people, if you're reborn, then come on, where is your zeal? You're saved. Why would you keep that a secret?